Hi there, I'm making this video for my PLACE investigation proposal. For this assignment, I chose to investigate my hometown, Omaha, Nebraska. I made a little presentation kind of describing Omaha with some pictures and my questions and resources. So I chose Omaha. I put in a little map just so you can kind of see where it is in Nebraska. It's right on the board over here, right next to Iowa. Omaha's a pretty big city for Nebraska. We have the world's largest zoo. Um, some of the questions, so I'm going to be using the then and now approach, which was on the assignment document PDF that I read about the assignment. I'm going to be using this approach and asking how has the city that I've grown up in changed in both good and bad ways. How was it founded? This question interests me because I've never really asked myself how the city I grew up in came to be and who found it. So I'm really interested to find out the answer to this question. And then what problems are prevalent today in Omaha, such as like drugs, STDs, and demographics. The resources that I'm going to be using for this assignment are going to be websites and other places here in Omaha. So like history.nebraska.gov, it has a bunch of articles and good resources that would help me answer these questions that I had just talked about. And then also the Durham Museum here in downtown Omaha. They have a lot of exhibits that display the history of this area, and they offer information not only from like our culture and how it was founded, but also like science and industry, and more stuff like that. So I think that'll be interesting. So hopefully I'll be able to use that in my assignment as well, my investigation. And then the Douglas County Historical Society Library, they have a lot of historical documents, including newspapers and books, clipping files, and government records that will also help me answer these questions. Some questions that I have for you would be, is it okay if I use the internet as resources if they're credible in order to answer my questions if I'm not able to find them um, with any of the other resources that I just mentioned? And then if I do go out and actually visit the Durham Museum here in Omaha to gather information for this investigation, is that credible and acceptable for this assignment? And if so, how would you like me to go about citing that information? So I'm really excited for this assignment. I am looking forward to finding more about the city that I've grown to love and where all of my family is from. So, thank you.